towards a common goal, which is to be the best in the country. As a frontliner officer, we make sure to give the best experience to all our clients.
During ng bagyo, nag-stay ako sa office dahil wala akong kasama sa bahay. Then mayroong nag-rescue sa office, so sumama na lang ako. Then sa kasagsagan ng bagyo, yung malakas ng hangin at walang nakikita na yung tinitingnan natin ng office, hindi ko nakikita dahil sa kalakasan ng hangin. Napansin ko na yung tubig tumataas, yung mga sasakyan natin nakapark sa likod ng office, lutang na.
Noong time na nalaman ko na paparating yung Super Typhoon Yolanda, gusto kong i-secure yung family ko. Plano ko talagang mag-evacuate kasi niisip ko na hindi kakayanin ng bahay namin kasi nga one story lang yung bahay namin. Posible daw magkaroon ng storm surge na abot daw ng 15 feet yung wave.
During Yolanda, I was 37 weeks pregnant. It was for that reason that my husband and I decided to evacuate to the PhilHealth office as it is near the hospital. As the house that we were supposed to stay, my husband's family's ancestral home, was washed out by the storm surge, resulting in the death of 11 family members. 5 hours after landing in Cebu, I gave birth through a cesarean operation. And I could say that my son, my newborn son, and I would not have survived